Hello, this is Nancy's Knit Knacks, and we're going to demonstrate our new yarn ball core system. Here is a core. It's 5 inches long, 1.25 inches in diameter, and it's made of paper, which is very strong. It's 80 thousandths thick. It's stronger than a typical mailing tube. We have wound some yarn onto a jumbo royal winder. We're going to demonstrate each ball winder in this series here, just so you can see how the yarn ball core system works on any winder that's out there. But you can see it's a very small amount of yarn, maybe maybe 1.5 ounces at the most. Now, if we're able to get the yarn off of the spindle, which sometimes is difficult on this particular ball winder because it ends up being too tight, we'll be able to push it right onto the ball core. You simply place the core there, you slide the yarn up and onto the core, and there you have it. As you can see, the yarn is now on the core. We designed the length of the core to be not too long. We simply didn't want it to be too obtrusive. Yet at 5 inches it pretty much will accommodate most balls of yarn, we figure. With the heavy-duty ball winder, it's the same process. You place the core on the top of the spindle, and you just slide the yarn right onto the core, and there you have the yarn on the yarn ball core. Now, of course, once it's on the yarn ball core, you cannot use it as a center pull ball any longer until you remove it from the core, but you can use it as a outside pull. We're going to develop a new product where you will simply place this core into a horizontal position on an axle, and then you'll be able to pull the yarn directly off of the core. Or you can use it in any traditional way that you would normally have used your yarn if you had placed it on a paper towel holder, or a roll rather, or a toilet paper roll. These cores are simply a more systematic way of doing it. They're the right size and will fit virtually all the ball winders out there, as we will demonstrate. Finally, we'll demonstrate the small royal ball winder, which is the one that's probably in most use today. And as you can see, it fits very nicely into the spindle, and the yarn goes right on. The yarn ball core system will sell for $5 for a package of 10. 10 will come in the poly bag that you see there, and so they're very affordable. You can afford to use them on those cases where you have tricky yarn that you want to maintain the the hole on and not lose the center hole as you pull off of your ball winder. And also, as I indicated earlier, we will have a tool that you can mount the yarn onto. It'll actually sit in a wooden holder, and you'll be able to pull your yarn right off of that as it sits in the wooden holder. That'll probably be called the bobbin holder, I think is what we've chosen to name it. That'll be available sometime early this fall.